Question number 1. What does HTTP stand for? The correct answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 2. What does IP stand for in networking? The correct answer is option B, Internet Protocol. Question number 3. What is the default port number for HTTP? The correct answer is option A, 80. Question number 4. Firewall used for. The correct answer is option C, network security. Question number 5. What does Wi-Fi stand for? The correct answer is option A, wireless fidelity. Question number 6. Which of the following is a programming language? The correct answer is option C, Python. Question number 7. SQL is used for. The correct answer is option B, database management. Question number 8. What does HTML stand for? The correct answer is option A, Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 9. In programming, loop refers to. The correct answer is option A, repeating a set of instructions. Last question is, what does IDE stand for in programming? The correct answer is option A, Integrated Development Environment.